What's up, Keep It Cleaners all around the world? It's your boy Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. Today we have a good one, haze removal. And on top of that, acrylic paint removal on this wood-like porcelain floor. As you can see, it's extremely cloudy all throughout. We got paint droppings of acrylic. This is definitely a nightmare. Client tried to clean it itself, but guess what? Highly recommended to us. So as you can see, paint droppings, and it's acrylic paint. This is a nightmare, but we came, we conquered, and we delivered. Hopefully you enjoy the video as much as we enjoy doing this job. Give us a call if you have any questions. Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. Remember, clean home equals healthier living. Wow, just beautiful. Special shout out to Zen Keepers for the referral. They do a full service cleaning on the residential or the commercial side, also post-construction, so contact them. Again, thank you, Lynette, over at Zen Keepers. Give her a call. If you need somebody to clean your home, that's the company to call, Zen Keepers. This floor came amazing. Customer was extremely happy. We got a 5-star review. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and we're on to our next challenge. Remember, clean home equals healthier living. Again, thanks Lynette from Zen Keepers. Contact her and her crew. You will not be disappointed. Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. Thank you for watching.